Doobie coming at you again from beautiful Vermont. Vermont doesn't look like this. Certainly not today. I was reminded this morning when I got up and looking out the window, all the roofs are covered with a little bit of snow. It was 58 degrees this weekend, and then it got cold very quickly, and now we've got snow. So I think it's time to say the summer shirts and Hawaiian shirts are done. I'm in Vermont, so 6 months later before we see more summer shirts. Anyway, I know you don't really care about that stuff, but anyway, I just thought I'd pass that on. I got some very, very, very exciting news for you today. This is going to be huge for you. This is going to be so powerful for so many people, because this is what happened. I have had AWeber as an autoresponder for many years and used it on and off for, I don't know, 7 years or something. And I also was using a different autoresponder and decided after 6 months or so that I'm really done with it. Didn't like it, didn't like the way what it did, what it didn't do, and so on and so forth. So then I decided, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use what a lot of the other leaders use as getresponse. So I did, and I'm only on the trial right now, but I'm certainly going to keep it because it's freaking awesome. And so their open rate is so much better than everybody else's. But anyway, here's the point. Get to the point, Dave. I'm going to get to the point. The point is, yesterday I spent pretty much all day, let's say 2 hours, but I'm going to say more than that, all day trying to find out how to do one specific thing. Should be easy. I even went, besides researching the heck out of it, and I know how to use Google pretty well, nobody had any information on how to take a campaign code that somebody already created with already pre-written emails and put that batch of that campaign code and load them into an existing new campaign that I created in my GetResponse. Everybody says, well, here's the GetResponse code, go ahead and use it. I even went so far as to do a live chat on GetResponse with somebody from GetResponse and ask them the question 5 different ways. And they kept sending me to the same video, which shows you how to load a campaign emails from one of your own campaigns to another one of your own campaigns. I even spoke with somebody who's been using GetResponse for many years, 7 or 8, almost as many that I've been using AWeber. And this is what this person told me. I never have figured out how to do that, and what I do is I write them manually. I load them manually. I copy them one at a time and put them into my campaign in my autoresponder. And I'm saying to myself, are you freaking kidding me? There's got to be a way. But then, and this is another testament of why you should have a buddy. You should have a system where you can mastermind with more than just yourself, with other people who are in the same company, in the same business that you are in. Because in the course of the conversation with this person that had no idea, the word was, I heard this little phrase mentioned, and it says, no password. Not really sure what the context was exactly, but I heard that because I listen very well. So if you call me, I'll listen to what you have to say. And I said, wait a minute. And it all of a sudden came to me. So now I'm going to show you how to load, if you're in a Power Network, which you probably are, because otherwise you probably won't be watching this, or even if you're not and you need to know how to load somebody's preloaded emails into your GetResponse campaign, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And I'm going to try to make sure that this video is all over the internet so other people can benefit from my newly found skill. All right, so you log into your account, obviously. Pick a campaign that you want, that you've already created. There's no emails in this thing, okay? So you've got it right over here. And you don't have to mess with this settings button right now. You're going to go up here to Messages. You're going to go down here to Preload. Okay? Now, this is the page that the live chat guy kept sending me to. Yeah, just go in here and you can transfer from one campaign to another campaign. I'm like, I don't have anything in there. That doesn't work. All right, so here's the secret. I'm going to blow this up a little bit for you. When you're looking at this page, right over here underneath this, and you can click this if you want, doesn't matter, change source account. Right? And when you do that, it gives you this, which is what I clicked on it before. It didn't make any sense to me at all. All right? Account name is my email address. Take that out of there. Okay? And what you do in here, and also log into, you're going to choose campaign. And all of a sudden it changes this to campaign name and campaign password. So what you're going to do here is you're going to paste in the campaign that you want to use all the emails that somebody else, like, maybe in the back office of Prosperity Team, have already written for you. So you type in the name, or obviously you can paste it. In this case, it's Prosperity 2013. Password? Here's the secret. No password. Nothing. Campaign is already selected. Click login. Watch what happens. Don't even bother with that. Click. And look what happens. All the emails from the campaign are loaded for you automatically. I know, right? Oh, look, the live chat guy wants to try to help me. All right. So in this case, when I first looked at it, I thought, gee, that's too bad, because all the subject lines, this is message subject, PT1 number 1, PT team number 2, PT number 3, so on. I'm thinking, I'm going to have to change all these subjects. No, you don't. But I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, so anyway, so here you go. So this is there, and we're still in this. I'm not going to log out yet. Here I'm going to select my campaign that I want to load these into. My Prosperity. This is what I called it. Autoresponder. New fields from. And I'm going to check this box here, and I'm going to say copy all. And look what it does. Yeah, exactly. So now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and before anything else happens, I'm going to click save. I just loaded all of the Prosperity Team emails into my newly created Your Prosperity campaign. Serious. It's that easy. All right, so now I'm going to log out because I don't want to mess with that anymore. I know, right? This is like too cool. Okay, so now you're going to click on Messages and Manage Autoresponders. Obviously, you've had selected your current campaign with your newly written, and I'm going to show you this. This is pretty cool. So you see this here, and it looks like it's blank. It doesn't show you anything. And at first when I saw that, it's like, yeah, I kind of got scared. And the status is on in all of them. And already, this is also cool. This is loaded automatically because that's built into the code. So these are already set up, same time, signed up, except on Saturday and Sunday. I'm just like, that's pretty cool. And obviously you can edit that. So on this little gear next to the first one, you can click this. And if you want to, you can say edit. And if you do that, basically what that is it edits when the thing goes out, the name that it's in, when you're going to send it out, blah, blah, blah. And you can obviously save and publish that. If you go to, and if you want to see what it really looks like, I want to say leave this page. If you want to see what it looks like, go down here and view online. Because when I first started editing, I think you have to go like 9 levels deep to actually see it. View online, and this, my friends, is the message. That's already loaded. Look at the subject line. It's not PT team number 1. It's that. It's exactly what you want. It's already done. It's already loaded. And the links here are all obviously already linked to their campaign. And on the bottom, get started to Your Prosperity, and it has your signature. So that, my friends, is how you load the autoresponders from the Prosperity Team or Empower Network or whatever you want into your campaigns in the wonderful GetResponse autoresponder. So hopefully that was helpful. Pretty sure it was. See, look, you get a little thing right there. And if it was, please comment and share. Please share this with everybody that you know. Because, like I said, I mean, I looked for a day and didn't find anything. So, make it a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, it's Dave again, and just a quick add-on to that last video that you just finished watching. Something you need to do. You need to go to your dashboard, pick the prosperity or whatever campaign you want. Go down here and go to predefined fields. This is very important because if this isn't set correctly, your emails won't show that it's you and you won't have your name in there. So you need to do that. And right in here, you need to type in or paste in Empower Network Username, all one word. Empower Network Username, one word. And then put your Empower Network username in here. Click that, and then click that. It's going to add it down here. And this is the key to adding that automatically to all of your autoresponder emails. That's it. See you in the next video.